Hey guys, welcome back to Creative Java Programming. In today's session, we are going to talk about what is inheritance in Java. What are the types of inheritance in Java? So let's start the video. So what do you mean by inheritance? Inheritance means the process of getting property of one class into another class is called inheritance. In other words, we can say that the process of deriving a new class from an old class is called inheritance, in which the new class is called a derived class or child class or subclass, and old class is called base or parent or superclass. Right? When a class inherits the property of a class, it means it can access all the data member and member function of that class except private element. In this type of programming, mainly two types of classes are used. First one, parent or super or base class, and second one is child, sub or derived class. What is parents, super and base class? The class which is inherited by another class is called parent or super or base class, and the class which inherits the property of another class is called child, sub or derived class. So let's see in practicals, right? So launch your Eclipse IDE, create a new project, type Java project, give project name any. I am giving project name inheritance, right? Inheritance. New, no. Just click on inheritance, go to src, create here package. Package means folder. Package, give anyone. I am giving P1, right? Create a class A, right? And create one more class, class B, right? Create here two variables, integer A, comma, integer A equal to 5 and integer B equal to 6. Create one method void, public void sum or add, right? So in add, what we have to do? Integer C equal to A plus B, right? So let's create main method. No, there is no need to create here main method. So this is class A, right? Parent class, and this is class B, that is child class, right? So how we can perform inheritance using extend keyword. Extends A, right? Here create one method, public void subtract, or write only sub. Sub means subtract, right? And here perform C is equal to B minus A. right? And C is equal to B minus A. So let's create here main method. Create object of class B. B1 is equal to new V. Let's call the method added V dot subtract, right? Let's run the program and see the output. And here, why it's not giving me any output? Because we have not printed anything on the console. SYSO print C, right? SYSO C. Let's run the program, see the output. Here, it's giving me 11 and 1. Why? Because B value is 6 and A is 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, and here 6 plus 5. So here we can pass message like added C, and here pass message sub, right? See, added 11 subtract 1. So this class is parent class or base class or super class, right? And this class is child class or derived class or subclass, right? The class which is inherited by another class is called parent, super or base class. So see here in this program, in class V, class is A is inherited, right? Here we created only subtract method and we are accessing added method also, right? So that is the concept of inheritance. It getting property of parent class into child class, right? So that's the readability of the code. Here we don't need to write this code again. Using class V object we can access that method and we can reuse it, right? So how to inherit one class into another, right? So derived class extend base class. Derived class means child class, extend parent class. So see, here you can see class of subtraction extends addition. Here subtraction is a derived class and addition is a base class. And extends is a keyword which is used to inherit one class into another. Extend is a keyword which is used to inherit one class into another. Right? Here you can see example base class addition, right? Void add integer x, y, and z, right? And here we are performing addition. And derived class extending base class. Class subtraction extend addition, right? So you can create this program mode, that program we have created here, right? Here class name A and B, and here the class name is addition and subtraction. That's all. Okay. So let's create the programs in our Eclipse IDE, right? So just create one more package p2, right? Give class name class addition, right? And second class is subtraction, and third class is main class, main, right? So let's create a method void add. See, void add, and these are the variables, right? So let's create x, y, z and perform addition. Integer x, y is equal to 13 and z is equal to 10. That's how given, right? So and in a subtraction, let's create void sub, right? Integer x, y equal to 30 and z is equal to 10, right? And here x is equal to y minus z, sy so z, print z, right? And here sy so x, right? And in main class we have to create main method because we want to run this class, right? So the class in which we have created main method, we have to run that class only, right? So subtraction extends addition, right? Here we have to create the object of derived class. This is derived class. This is parent class. And in main class we have to create object of derived class. So subtraction s is equal to new subtraction, right? S dot add s dot sub, right? Let's run the program and see the output. So it's giving me 40 and 10, right? 40 and 10. So we have to pass the message here in double quotes, added is equal to plus x, right? Sub is equal to plus z, right? So let's run the program and see the output. Added 40, subtract 10. In next video, we will discuss what are the types of inheritance. So let's see. There are 5 types of inheritance Java: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, hybrid inheritance. And multi-level inheritance and hybrid inheritance, Java does not support at class level but supports at interface level, right? So we will discuss in next video, right? So that's all guys in today's session. Bye bye, take care, thanks for watching.